Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In today's episode, we are going to be learning how to log in Golf Clash with email. Logging in to Golf Clash with email is easy. First of all, launch open the Golf Clash application on your mobile device. After you have this interface over here from the home page, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top left corner. This will open up the settings menu. Tap on Secure Your Account option. Now, click on the More button and you will be able to see sign-in options available for Golf Clash. To sign in with email, tap the Sign in with email option. Now, enter your email address you have an access to on the next page. After typing down an email, click on Send Email button. You will now receive a verification code sent to your email that you just provided. Go ahead and check your email and enter the 4-digit verification code that you received. After typing down the code, click on Secure Your Account. You will then be able to log in to Golf Clash with your email. Once your email is linked, you can use this email option to log into your Golf Clash account on any device. This ensures that your game progress is saved and can be recovered if needed. So that is how you can easily log into Golf Clash using email. If you found the video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.